Welcome to my channel, Lifestyle Homemade. In our videos, we intend to use simple, inexpensive items to make our dishes and repurpose ingredients we already have in our home. Today, we will be making seasoned fritters for breakfast or snack you can enjoy anytime. For this recipe, you need diced onions, diced sweet peppers, tomato hot pepper flour, black pepper, salt, turmeric, sugar. Where are you watching from? Please write the name of your country in the comment section if you will try this recipe. To a bowl, I will add all my ingredients: diced onions, sweet peppers, tomato, a small piece of hot pepper, flour, a pinch of salt, turmeric, and a sprinkle of sugar. Mix these together nicely, then set aside to rest for a while. At this point, I will add some oil to my frying pan, wait for it to get hot, and then I will add a spoonful of the batter to the hot oil. I let these fry until golden brown and crisp on medium heat. I did some ripe fried plantain with this, and it was delicious. You can have this with your favorite cup of warm beverage for breakfast. Enjoy! Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in our next video.